This one is better than VUL kasi traditional plan siya. In fact, endowment plan, yung AIAA plus signature. And guaranteed lahat ng benefits na i-discuss ko sa inyo. So, katulad nito, yung pinakamurang plan, may 500,000 na life insurance, 250,000 na total and permanent disability, 250,000 na personal accident insurance, and then 250,000 na critical illness coverage. 10 major illnesses covered ka hanggang age 80. Tapos may waiver of premium pa in case ma-diagnose ng critical illness or maging totally and permanently disabled, mawa-waive na yung premium. Si AIA na yung maghuhulog ng mga premiums mo para tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung coverage mo. Tapos, ang maganda rito, may guaranteed kang makukuha na payout na 25,000 every 2 years. Magsisimula siya end of year 6. Diba? So, mas maganda siya sa VUL kasi diba sa VUL, pag kumuha ka ng VUL, sabi ng mga agents natin, saving siya or investment siya. So, meaning, pag yun ang mentality mo, gusto mong mag-withdraw in the future, whether in full or partial. Ideally, partial lang kung may VUL ka kasi if you withdraw in full yung account value ng VUL mo, maglalapse or mataterminate yun. So, hindi ka na insured. Mawawala na yung mga coverages that we discussed. Usually, ganito rin yung mga small VULs na kinukuha natin, ganyan lang yung coverage, diba? So, ano pang sense? Bakit ka pa kumuha ng insurance kung withdrawin mo rin in full yung pera, diba? So, dapat partial lang. Kaya lang, syempre, pag partial withdrawal, usually first 10 years, meron pa yung withdrawal charges. Tapos tinitignan mo pa kung enough yung account value. Pag mababa yung account value at nag-withdraw ka ng partial, liliit yung account value, lalaki yung cost of insurance. Ganun yung VUL eh. So, kinakabahan ka, frustrated ka, etc. Ito, hindi, guaranteed na yan. Yung ibibigay sa'yo na 25,000 every 2 years, guaranteed yan. Wala kang aalalahanin, hindi magagalaw yung life insurance benefits mo. Walang withdrawal charges. And nakaschedule siya. Makukuha mo talaga siya every 2 years. Ikaw bahala kung saan mo pwedeng gamitin, saan mo gustong gamitin yung 25,000 or it could be higher depende kung higher yung premium or higher yung budget mo. Pwede mo siyang gamitin pambayad sa tuition ng anak mo, or panggastos mo lang, just eat out, or mag-travel kayo. Pwede kang pambili mo ng bag, pambili mo ng sapatos, whatever that is, or pambayad mo ng premium, pwede. 'Di ba? So again, magsisimula siya at the end of year 6. Hindi ka pa tapos magbayad kasi may 20 years to pay, may 10 years to pay ito. Hindi ka pa tapos magbayad, nagsisimula na yung payout. Nagsisimula na nare-reward ka na, na-enjoy mo na yung binabayaran mo. So, hindi siya katulad ng insurance na when you just die or you get sick, that's the only time you enjoy your money. 'Di ba? So, napakaganda niyang savings plan. Long-term savings plan, pero guaranteed ang benefits and comprehensive yung mga coverages mo. Life insurance, total and permanent disability, personal accident coverage, and then may critical illness coverage, may waiver of premium. So, for sample quotation to for a 30-year-old male, 41,978 lang per year, 20 years to pay. Tapos, kapag 10 years to pay lang, 74,000 lang siya. So, mas mura relatively kasi hindi doble yung premium, no? A little less than that. So, ganon. And then, again, yung 25,000 na makukuha mo every 2 years, magsisimula at the end of year 6, it continues up to age 100 or habang buhay ka, makukuha mo yung benefits. Alright? Of course, upon death, the life insurance goes to your family. So talagang maraming makukuha ng family. Ikaw, as the policy owner, as the insured, may enjoy mo yung payouts. And then of course, your family will get pa yung life insurance benefits. So both kayo, lahat kayo nag-benefit. Actually, up to 4 generations to, depende sa pagkakalatag ng owner and then ng insured. So it's really very good. It's a comprehensive insurance plan, sabi nga niyan, no? So it's delayed gratification and long-term savings, yun yung pinopromote ng A-plus signature. Ano pa ba? Ayan, it creates a family legacy kasi ikaw na-enjoy mo yung pera mo, tapos pwede mong ipamana pa yung pera mo. Benefits that can span generations, up to 4 generations. Si lolo, kung siya yung owner, si parent, si dad or si mom, kung sa anak malilipat sa kanya yung ownership eventually, tapos yung apo, pwedeng siya yung insured, and then upon death ng apo sa tuhod. 'Di ba? Yun na yung magbe-benefit. Pag-usapan na rin to. If you are excited about this plan, send me a message. Let me discuss with you. Basta ito yung minimum premium niyan. 'Di ba? Halos wala nang bababa dyan. So, depende sa budget mo. It could be higher. Gusto mong 100,000, yung payout times 4 mo lang yan. 'Di ba? So, ganun. Depende sa payout. Gusto mong 50,000, 35,000, we can compute for you. Basta this is the lowest plan. Alright? So, send me a message kung gagahanap ka ng mas maganda sa VUL, ito na yung hinahanap mo.